This
Hi,
meeting
Rajesh.
is being recorded.
Hi, Rajesh. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. Yeah, what about you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah. So, can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Rajesh, and I'm having around 3.2 years of experience in the field of software testing, including manual and automation. In that manual part, I have 2 years, and from the last 1 year, I'm in automation part. And we are working on an SDLC model, and we are filtering with two-stage testing procedures. Like first, we do in a SIT environment, and then the build got moved into pre-prod. Then after that, it moves into production or live. Yeah, and coming to my projects, we are working on an e-commerce based application, and which involves the behavior like after registering that when we click on any category, then it goes to PLP page, which means product listing page, then PDP page, then checkout, and then payment. That is the procedure we are following. And coming to my roles and responsibilities, coming to manual, my day starts with reviewing RFT. Any RFT tickets will be available or not, we need to check first, and then I need to attend a stand-up call, which I need to do the task for today. And that involves like understanding the requirements and user stories, and creation of test cases and execution. And later on, at the end of the day, I need to attend the status call, which I need to report the status. And that's all about the manual. And coming to automation part, we have used a hybrid framework with Maven, and we are converted that manual test cases into automation scripts by using Selenium, and we are using a tool, bug reporting tool as Jira. Yeah, that's all about myself. Hello.
Yeah, great. Thank you for
Yeah,
introduction, Rajesh. Yeah, it was a wonderful introduction. Okay.
yes. Yes.
Okay, now let me share my screen. Yeah. So now let's go with the scenario-based questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Let me turn in the slideshow mode. So you will be able to see in a more proper manner. Okay. Now this is the one of the Selenium script with robot framework,
Okay.
but the click is not working. So what could be the problem over here?
Click, sir.
Mm-hmm. So see, what they have written is they have launched this URL. This is the URL.
Okay.
Any particular URL
Okay.
use. Browser type is Chrome. These are the test cases
Okay.
that they have written. Open browser and
Okay.
click element XPath is also written. Now this XPath is proper.
Okay.
Okay, so that confirmation I can give this XPath is proper, but still click is not
Okay.
working on that particular page. When the script runs, click does not happen. So how will
Okay.
you resolve this error?
Mm. Okay, but uh, uh, sorry, sir.
No worries. See, this is a mock
Mm.
interview, and if you
Yeah.
know the answer of the question, so feel free to tell. We will answer on your behalf. So now, first of all, the click is not working. So the problem statement is click is not working. Okay. Now there can be
Okay.
multiple solutions. So you will have to go through the code and you will have to see, and you can come up with multiple solution, maybe some pointers. So let me show you the next screen. Okay, now is this visible?
Yes, yes.
See, you can use wait until element is visible, right? Maybe it could
Yes,
happen
sir.
that the page is loaded, but there is no wait used properly over there, or
Yes,
it's
yes.
been hard coded and the element is itself is not visible, or it's not getting loaded completely, and we are trying to make a click on that particular button, right? You can also
Yes,
use
yes.
yeah, you can also use a set Selenium timeout property, right? That it should wait
Okay, yes,
for
sir.
this particular message, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then you
Okay.
can also use some sort of tools, maybe Selectors Hub or any Firefox console, just to make sure that the XPath is correct. So if XPath is correct, so that is one kind of check that you have to do.
Okay.
Okay. So there are pointers. If XPath is correct, then see wait. If wait is proper, then see timeout. If timeout is see, then proper, then see if you can try to make a click with the help of JavaScript, because execute JavaScript is more reliable compared to click, right? Then you can also
Yes.
use other click commands, right? So that can be the
Yes, yes.
possible
Okay.
solution. So whenever you get this kind of questions in a real-time interview, think from all the perspective, right? And
Okay.
try to give the answers. Okay. Okay. Now this is an XML
Okay.
document. Now I need to get the value of lang, right? Where lang is English in the book title, right? So lang is over here, lang is over here also, right? Now I need to get for the first element. So what would be the XPath? Okay, now there are two questions. First, would I be able to
Okay.
get this lang value? And second, if yes, then how? And if yes, then how can I get via XPath? So maybe you can just tell me the XPath for this to get the value for this first element lang from this XML.
Okay. I need to write XPath like first relative XPath. I need to write like double forward slash with
Mm-hmm.
tag name title,
Okay.
open square brackets at the rate attribute,
Mm.
and then is equal to single quotation that value, and that's square brackets.
Correct. So this kind of XPath you are telling, I think. Why it's not moving to the next screen? It's a bug. Okay. Oh, just a second.
Okay.
Right. Right. So you can use get element by XPath, right? And as you
Okay.
were
Yes.
mentioning that also you can also use document.evaluate, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so that thing also you can use. And especially for this, your relative XPath would be, let me just share my screen and show you once again. Yeah, so this would be the XPath that you will get. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this can be the XPath that you can create. Okay, first
Okay.
element. So book one title at the rate line like that.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so this was good. Now let's move to the next question. Do you use extend reports?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now I have one automation framework.
Okay.
In that also I am using extend framework. Okay. Now the problem
Okay.
is that my extend report is not getting generated.
Okay.
Hmm. So my extent report is not getting generated. So maybe I'm doing some mistake in writing this particular code, so that you need to identify. Okay, now I'm resharing my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, are you able to
Okay.
see my screen? This is the code that I have written.
Okay.
Import org.testng.annotations.test. So everything with respect to
Yes, yes.
importing, I have used. Then over here, extend reports variables I have declared. Before method @test. Now, when I'm running this code, it runs successfully in IntelliJ or Eclipse console. I'm able to see my test got passed, one of one, two of those. But
Okay.
extend report is not getting generated.
Yes, sir. We need to give that test.log status.info. That information we need to give to
So,
generate.
okay, so that is there for generating log files, right? Anything
Yes,
else
yes.
that I'm missing over here? I'm missing something important over here. Just go through this code. There is some
Okay.
important thing which is missed over here.
Okay. Okay. Need to copy the path. Okay, path the copied.
Yeah, just ignore the path. Path is properly there,
Yes,
but
yes.
just
Yeah,
didn't
yeah, yeah.
screenshot it couldn't come.
We need to flush at the end. Is there
Correct.
any?
Correct. Yes. That thing is missing. Extend dot flush.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
So that thing was missing. That's why extend report is not getting generated, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. So that's a good catch from your side. Mm, okay. Okay, you have joined from laptop, right?
yes, yes.
Can you write a Java program and in which you need to extract this E character from the string Rajesh? Okay. I'm giving you screen sharing rights. You need to click on share screen button, the green color, and just write a Java program to extract E character from string Rajesh. Okay. Yes, your screen is visible, but yeah, you can open Notepad or IntelliJ. Yeah, whichever you are comfortable with. Perfect. Yeah, just maximize this Notepad. Hmm.
Sir, I need to. Sir, can you repeat the question?
Right. So I'll repeat it. So there is a string, Rajesh. Okay, your name
Okay.
string is there. And you need to extract character E from Rajesh. Can you please increase the font size? You can select Control A and go to the format, increase font.
$16 is okay, sir.
Yeah. That will work. Thank you.
So we're not getting after this.
No worries. I have a code. Let me just share my screen.
Okay.
Your screen sharing will be stopped.
Your screen sharing. Okay.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
See, you can use character at method. Okay, now what our uh, goal is to get a character E from the string. So first of all, you will have to get the string and the index. Okay,
Yes.
then we will go to the specific character. We will run a for loop for specific characters, each character, and we will return,
Yes.
sorry, we will run for loop for all characters and we will try to get the specific character. Okay, so now you can see this method is there, get character from string. Okay, I have declared two variables in this method. One is string and one is index. Okay, so it will return string str.character at index. Now what will be your driver code? Now from here your code starts. Your string is Rajesh. It can be any string over here. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to get the index. Okay, for this it will be 4. Okay,
Yes.
then if you have to get the specified character, okay, then we will see uh, character ch equal to get character for string str comma index. Okay, and then we will sys out this particular thing. Okay,
Okay.
just a second. This is how it will be done, but yeah. Now same thing you can also do it via multiple methods. Like you would have heard about string.getCharacters method, right? In which
Yes.
you will get the string and the index, then you will create an empty character array of size 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
you'll have to copy the element at specific index, then get that specific character at the index 0 of the character array, and then return the specific character. That also is an alternate manner that you can do. Okay.
Okay.
Over here, we didn't use for loop. You could have used that as well. And
Okay.
yeah, so this is how it was done. Okay. Okay. Now, mm, what is Cucumber?
Yeah, Cucumber is a framework which supports behavior-driven development,
Hmm.
and it is a framework like it's having a couple of folders and packages, and have a feature file. Folders like test input, test output, and properties, which are like as other projects. And coming to packages, it has a step definition and a step runner class. In step runner, where we need to execute there, and it has a feature file where we can easily write our scripts in an easily English manner, which will be understood to the non-technical and other stakeholders easily.
Hmm.
And we can write more number of scenarios there in a single class as well. And we can reduce the documentation as well. We will write a test data in that class itself. So that is the main use.
Hmm. Okay. What is test runner?
Test runner, like our driver script where we need to execute our script, I think.
Hmm. Test runner. There is a separate file of test runner, right? In Cucumber.
Yes, yes.
What is the test runner class in Cucumber? How will you run the test using a test runner file for Cucumber?
We'll run.
Mm.
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay.
I have a
So,
like basic.
yeah, so there are actually two methods. One is you can provide a tag name which you want to run in the feature file. Let's say if you want to run login test. So just provide the
Okay.
tag name at the rate login in the feature file. Same tag name you can put in the runner file, right? There is also one more mechanism where you can use glue in the test runner file, which step definition file you want to trigger. You can also use
Okay.
path of the feature file in the Cucumber runner file, right? That this
Okay.
particular path may be src slash test, src slash test slash java slash features,
Okay.
then which is a feature file that you would like to run, right?
Okay.
Similarly, path of step definition file also you can mention in the test runner file. According to that, your
Okay.
code will run.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Now I'll give you one website. Now let me share my screen. Hmm. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm? Now this is the website. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to tell me high level test scenarios. How will you test this website via manual testing? This is a manual testing question, not automation.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
How will
Yeah.
you test this
Okay.
particular website?
Mm, first of all, we need to check that environment. First, we need to launch that environment whether it is properly after entering that whether it is properly loading or not, and after that in the home page it is loading like all in the footer all links or it is loading, and if you click on any in the header section, if you click on any category, then it goes to the respective PLP page or not. That is you need to check here, and mm, these are the high level test scenarios in this page home page.
Mhm. Then apart from that, any other test scenario?
Mm, if it is having login functionalities, we need to test with valid and invalid credentials for the login section.
Hmm. But there is no login functionality, right? So see, what you
Okay.
can do is you can verify all these links are working properly or not. You can verify
Yes, yes,
all these links are clickable or not. You can also verify this explore watermark is being displayed properly. You can verify explore link is being displayed. You can verify logo is being properly displayed, right?
yes, yes,
You can verify this text is being properly displayed. Okay. Are you able to redirect it? Is it redirecting it you to the proper page, right? Whenever you go over
clicking
there.
on any resources.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Now, these are the high level test scenarios. Okay. Also, you can test all these website in multiple browsers. Again, you can do mobile testing,
yes,
whether this website is opening properly in mobile devices, Android,
yes,
tablets, right? All those things. Then you can verify the if tomorrow any product number increases. So, are you able to see that product along with its proper image also, right?
okay,
It should then this read more link is working, then this YouTube video is navigating you to the proper page, right? Then this contact map, so are
yeah,
you able to, yeah, so all these information is there, so you can verify all these links again. You can see if you enter proper brand and proper location, are you with respect to your city, let's say you are from Hyderabad or Bangalore, so accordingly is the Google map loading, right? So all
yes,
these
yes.
things you can verify. Okay, then you can see this bookmarks kind of a thing. If you just select GST
Cor-
registration.
yes, corrosives I need to check.
Yeah. Yeah. So currently it's not working. So it might be a bug.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So all these things you have to verify. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Rajesh, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Is there any suggestions for me to improve?
See, I think you need to work on Java programming thing. Any Java program
Okay.
can be asked to you. Then again, if you have written BDD Cucumber framework, then get clarity on that Cucumber framework. What is test runner file? What is feature file? What is step definition file? Right? Then
Yes.
there can be questions on the automation related technical questions like what if this error comes up? As we were discussing those scenario based questions
Yeah, yeah.
earlier. X path for this, or I
Yes,
got
yes.
this click is not working. Maybe this left click is not happening. Maybe this button is not visible on loading. So all these kind of scenario based questions can be asked to you, right? So you have to prepare for that. Rest all, I think it was good. Your communication skills is good. Your presentation skills is good. You are able to answer. You are confident. It's just that
Yes.
you need to increase your knowledge now.
Yes, sir. And again, sir, the calls were actually were not coming. Actually, is there any?
Right. So currently, the positions are less due to the market scenario and because of the recession that is going on outside India. Right. So that's why these things are getting impacted. But don't worry, it's just a matter of time. Soon we will get some positive news from the industry.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. And thank you so much for coming on this channel, that too on a
Yeah,
Sunday.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Wish you all the best for your career.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for connecting. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay.